Hi everyone and welcome to my next tutorial preview. This time I have something special for you. Surprisingly, it's not a flower. It's a beautiful scene with a seagull walking on the wet sand in the golden afternoon. This project is more challenging but very nice and really relaxing to paint. We will try to capture that beautiful afternoon light on the seagull and the shoreline. I don't know how about you, but I love afternoon light. It is warm and peaceful. There will be a lot to learn from this class. We're going to learn how to create an illusion of wet sand, how to capture the beautiful golden afternoon light, how to create a reflection of the bird in wet sand, how to paint the seagull itself, how to create an illusion of water, ripples, and sea foam, and how to mix just a few colors to create cohesive, harmonious color composition. I hope you will find this project interesting and inspiring. The full tutorial is available in my online watercolor school at esperoart.com. I'm looking forward to see you in the school. Bye!